Oh, a little too bright. Hang on. Oh yeah, now I can see. Hey everybody, welcome to social distancing. So, let me show you all how I do my social distancing. So this is your first time here joining me on the channel. My name is Jason Yoder, and this is where I share with you all of my travel and photography adventures and try to show you ways to help pay for that travel. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you how I use this bad boy, my DJI Mavic Pro 2, and how I use it here in the vlog and to also increase my stock portfolio. Oh yeah, you know what, after how busy I've been for the last month and a half or so, I'm enjoying this social distancing thing, and also a chance to stay at home, get caught up on some projects, and caught up on these episodes for all of you guys. But this episode is about some of my equipment. Now when I first started this vlog about 2 years ago, I had to prioritize what equipment I wanted. I'm very conservative when it comes to spending my money on equipment. So I needed to figure out where I can get the biggest bang for my buck. So the first thing I did was to buy a gimbal. And that gimbal went on my phone. That's what I used for my original vlogs. And for example, one of my favorite vlogs from Rome was filmed on my phone and my gimbal. But after about 6 months, I went ahead and purchased the GoPro that I'm filming this episode on. And that really helped to reduce the footprint of my gear. The next piece of equipment I bought is my three-legged thing, Albert tripod. Now this carbon fiber tripod is pretty sturdy. What this does is it allows me to take panoramas. And I can tell you, especially for the month of March, the panoramas have been selling like crazy. So this tripod has more than paid for itself already. The other thing that this drone allows me to do is to take you and I to places that we otherwise could not go. Whether it's going over a stream, out over the ocean, over a cliff, that's just something that we can't do on our own. So the drone allows us to experience this other world together that otherwise we don't get to do. Now let me show you some of the footage I've been capturing with my drone. Here is Sedona, Arizona. And for this next one, it is not the Arctic, it is Watson Lake in Prescott, Arizona. Now, if you've got earbuds, put them in right now, because your cell phone speakers, your TV speakers, and your computer speakers aren't going to be able to play the bass that I put in on this short little video.
even though you can make some big commissions with stock footage, those sales are pretty rare. My sales are coming from Adobe and Shutterstock. Now, Getty Images, they're getting me like 66 cents commission on footage, whereas Adobe, it's $145. So pick up your game there, Getty Images, or I'm going to be pulling my content from your site. I'm also using the drone for stock photography, and I'm getting some really awesome perspectives. Not only am I taking standard images, but the panoramas also sell very well.
All right, everybody, that's it. That is how I've been using this drone to enhance this vlog, but also to enhance my earnings that I get on stock photography. So again, guys, if you enjoy travel and photography like I do and want to see how you can use your camera and help pay for it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Even though I was supposed to be in Japan at this time, obviously the world has changed, at least for the short term, so we're at home, but I am actively going around Arizona with my camera. And that's just one of the advantages of living in a destination state, is there's a lot of destinations to photograph. So that is how I'm practicing my social separation. I'm going out into the wilderness with my camera and enjoying my time here. And I invite you guys to hit that subscribe button and enjoy this time with me. I will see you all in the next episode, which, by the way, is the episode where I share with you the images that I sold in the stock photography market for the month of March 2020, so make sure you join me for that episode.